Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series. Our today's topic is Trends in Enterprise Mobility, and we have with us Dr. Ashok Karanya. He's a Director, Enterprise Mobility, Sales and Strategy, InfoStretch Corporation. Ashok is an entrepreneurial leader with more than 10 years of experience in sales, marketing and strategy. As the Director, Enterprise Mobility, Sales and Strategy, he is spearheading InfoStretch's strategic and business development initiatives in the enterprise mobility world. He has the overall sales leadership for Europe and Asia Pacific and plays a key role in targeting, segmenting and positioning InfoStretch services to the CXO level professionals in leading enterprises. He is the founder of Mobile Monday Ahmedabad. He was also awarded the Doctors of Philosophy degree in Business Policy and Administration by University of Mumbai in July 2013. Ashok is a popular speaker and has shared his insights and experiences at MIT, AITI, Speaker Series, TIE, CII, NASSCOM and Mobile Monday forums. He has frequently featured in media and his writings have appeared in publications like The Economic Times and Outlook Traveler. So I would hand over the session to Dr. Karanya, but before that, just wanted to inform all the audience today. Dr. Karanya will be taking questions throughout his session. So please feel free to start sending questions probably 10 minutes into the session, and he will be taking up a lot of questions after the session, probably for the last 15 minutes in today's webinar. So I'll hand over the session now to Dr. Karanya. Over to you, Ashok.
Thanks, Srilagna. Thanks to the entire TechGig team for this wonderful opportunity to speak to my fellow IT friends out there. So very good afternoon to all of you. Friday afternoon, lots of plans for the weekend, and everyone is getting ready. I'm sure a lot of you must have made your plans for catching the latest movie, going for a weekend drive, and more than often you might have used a mobile application to plan a few of these things, which brings us to this topic that mobility has been always around us, and it has changed our lives. Now we are looking at how it could change the enterprise mobility section and how it is transforming the way businesses have been done. So what I tend to cover today is, give a quick brief of the mobility trends. And friends, today it's more of a business discussion. I'm sure that a lot of you have also questions with regard to specific technologies, and I'll be happy to answer them in the best possible fashion I can. But the whole idea is to bring a business perspective